Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, the weekly security update for Google Chrome that has arrived late yesterday, June the 16th, and it is now rolling out today, June 17th. If you go to your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 149.0.7827.156. Now, what's in here in security updates? So it was a little faster than usual. There was a blog post update that was pretty fast, which was, if we go down here, Chrome stable channel, there we go. So it fixes 33 security flaws, which is still a lot. A lot of them critical at the top here, as you see, web share, inappropriate implementation and web view, digital credentials, and so on and so on. So those critical flaws have to be fixed as fast as possible. A lot of high severity also, as you see here, of different parts of the browser. So pretty much a big week, even though it's not the 400 fixes of the other day. It's still a big week for Google Chrome. They aren't saying that there's any 0 days or exploited in the wild in here. That it seems that these are all security updates that have been found during the week, and the critical ones are not 0 day exploited. So that at least is good news. No exploitation yet. Of course, now that bad guys know, they will try. So 33 security updates and several critical and high severity. It is important to apply the updates. This is what keeps you safe. It's actually the most important thing to keep you safe, since if you fix the security flaws, the malware cannot take over. They can't exploit the flaw to actually inject and take control of your PC. And so the Chromium browsers, of course, will have this update coming up soon. Edge, Brave, Opera, and so on. So check for updates on your Chromium browsers also to make sure that you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.